Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Antigravity to quickly make Google Chrome extensions. So let's get started. I have Antigravity open here and I'm going to be using the Agent Manager. You can access the Agent Manager through this button here or this button here at the top. So now that I'm in my Agent Manager, I'm going to add a new workspace and I'm simply going to create a new folder here. I'm going to name this Chrome extensions. I'm going to select this folder and that workspace has been added. So the reason why I like to use different workspaces is to organize my project files. So here I'm going to start a new conversation and I'm going to give it a prompt. Create a Google Chrome extension which automatically searches Wikipedia based on highlighted text. I'm gonna go ahead and hit enter, and overall this shouldn't take too long. So as the AI agent is constructing a response, it will generate an implementation plan which you can look over and double check, as well as add comments for review. But so far, I gave it a quick read and it looks pretty good to me. There we go. Before I write the code, please review the proposed architecture. Specifically, I have a question about the trigger mechanism. Do you want the Wikipedia summary to pop up immediately when you highlight the text, or would you prefer a small, unintrusive icon to appear first? I'd like to proceed with option B. So normally the agent will also have clarifications that it wants to create. So now that's done. It's creating the script files under the hood, and so far it's proceeding pretty smoothly. So it's been a couple of minutes and it's gone through every task that it generated in the task list, and I'm excited to get this tested. So it generated a new document with a walkthrough about how I can install the extension it just created and give it a test run. Try testing it out by dropping the project folder into Chrome extensions while in developer mode. So I've already got Chrome open here and already in developer mode. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop the project folder. It should be here. So now that worked, it's imported without any problem. You can see it is properly named and described. Wiki search highlighter automatically searches Wikipedia when you highlight text. So let's go somewhere such as the New York Times. Let's go ahead and go to the website real quick. It should be activated. As you can see here, Wiki search highlighter. So I'm gonna open a random article. Here we go. And let's highlight gas prices. Click on the W. And here we go. It has opened the Wikipedia page correctly describing what I highlighted. So overall, I feel like that's a pretty useful extension and the functionality is exactly as I described. As you can see, it only took a few steps and a few minutes of my time. So this anti-gravity agent software is really powerful. And it's exciting to think about what else you might be able to accomplish using it. But that's it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.